pulling on the leash.
In this first video, I show you with the Shepherd puppy how I do the U-turn while pulling on the leash. This is on my backyard, well, front yard, whatever you want to call it. Afterwards, we're going on the streets. Now, you see, she's walking with me, no problem at all. Now I'm making a turn. She's a little hesitating, but she's turning with me, so everything is fine. Now she pulls leash, I stop. I try to call her to walk forward with me a few times. No pulling on leash, just have patience. Now you will see I will go to her and try to walk with her beside me. And she's going to accept. Ignore the jumping, that's a problem for later on. Now you're gonna see she's going to sit. She doesn't want to come. I'm gonna try to take her with me. I go to her. I try to step forward without pulling on the leash. Now I run a little bit to see what happens. Now you see I praise her because she's in sit and it's a good behavior, so I praise her and I walk through. So she was walking with me, so she's a good girl now. Now she's pulling on the leash. I just call her on that nice way. And I say to her, good girl, just walking with me, she's a good girl. Look, she's now walking, and now she's gonna sniff, I think. She's just walking. Okay, everything is fine. Now she's standing still again. You see now I'm calling her on the sweet way. I'm going to her, and I try this way. Nope. I praise her and I walk. And she's following me. She's a nice girl. She's learning quick. I see I do a few U-turns. Now she's stopping again. You can see it really with the stairs, with the ladder. I call her a nice way. I go to her. I step backwards to see if she will follow me. I call her. Just have a lot of patience on your walks when the dog doesn't want to come. And try just a few things, and now she's walking with me again. Now we're going to go outside. I first want her to sit so I can open the gate. I open the gate and now I want her to keep the position in sit. And now I'm going and I say the command, come. So she's walking outside the gate. Now she's sitting again, so I can close the gate. So this is the third time she's with leash on the street. So you're gonna see what she's doing with all the dogs that are barking from the neighbors. I want her to ignore them. She's really good in ignoring the dogs now. You will see she's looking up to the dogs, but she's walking forward. Just a little patience. Here we go. We are on the walking. Look, she's now looking at the dogs that are barking, but hey, she's walking forward. She's not pulling. Sniffing a little bit. I call her when I don't want to sniff. Her to sniff. Now she's pulling. I'm just stopping and I'm waiting until the leash is a little loose like this, and we're going again. Just a slightly loose leash and we are walking. I let her sniff and I walk. Don't pull the leash, people, don't pull the leash yourself. never. Sniffing, and I call her, and she's walking again. Now she's looking to another dog. Sniffing again at the gate, and we're going again. Now she stops because there is another dog. I call her, and we're going again. That wasn't my dog in the background. Actually, it was her. Now I make the U-turn to go back home. Now she knows we're going back, so she will pull the leash. So have a lot of patience and stop when she's pulling. Like this, she will go and sit, I think. Or she will just come to me. Just wait until the leash is a bit loose and then you walk forward. Wait a moment. You need to have patience with your puppy. And here we go. It doesn't matter which way she's going, the leash has to be loose and then you're walking forward. Here she's going to sit and she's staying in sit for like 5 or 6 minutes, so I do a fast forward just a little bit because I really was patient and standing still waiting to her to get the leash loose, but it did not happen, so I was trying to call her, nothing helps, so have a lot of patience and then you will see I will go forward and she will follow me. She just was waiting for me to go forward to go home. Now I will walk forward and she will follow me. And off we go. Yeah! Please her to walk forward with you. She will sit again. And again we will have patience. Or we just walk and she's walking again. Now I will show you the dogs. And she loves them. Okay. Now this is me and my mama bear dog, and this is the results that we want to see after a good puppy training. Nice leash walking, no pulling. You will see in a moment I will stop and she's just sitting next to me. That's what we want in our life on our walks with all of our dogs. She's doing great now. She's one of my shepherd dogs. You will see now I will stop and she will go and sit. Now I will show you the same sequence with my oldest dog, with my Jack Russell. It's another breed. So you see every breed is doing it with training. You see she knows she's 12 years old. She knows she feels a little bit of tension. She has to come back to me. Like this. She will move in a second. Like this. And we're going. She is a good girl. My Jack Russell. She's really happy to get involved in this video, like you see. Thank you for watching.